The following lesson is designed to provide a brief overview of the specific tabs in the IAEG AD-SRT. Although there are multiple lessons that make up the overall course, it is recommended that participants take each applicable lesson in the same order they appear in the tool. Upon completion of each lesson, participants are encouraged to move to the next session in the series. This course uses text, images, audio, and video. As such, it is best viewed in full screen mode and with speakers or headphones. Should you have any questions related to the AD-SRT, we encourage you to visit www.iaeg.com to view additional resources.
By the end of the Product Group tab module, participants will be able to do the following. Explain the primary purpose of the Product Group tab in relation to the AD-SRT. Demonstrate an understanding of each applicable field under the Product Group headers, and correctly fill out each applicable field within the Product Group tab. Before we move into the tab, let's take a moment to define some terms. This will help to ensure information is accurately added to the AD-SRT. This tab may be used to declare one or more group of products in a single product declaration.
Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use the Product Group tab in the Aerospace and Defense Substances Reporting tool. In addition to this demo, we encourage you to gain practical experience with the tool by downloading a copy and exploring the various tabs and fields. Let's get started. The Product Group tab may be used to declare one or more groups of products in a single product declaration. As stated earlier in the course, both a single product and a product group that share the same substance may be added to a single declaration. Mixed materials, however, must be registered on separate declarations. Each group is identified by a Product Group ID, located under column A. This can be used in other tabs instead of the supplier product number. A product group must share the same substances and substances concentrations, but may have the same or different masses. Moving from left to right on the sheet, let's explore each section. The Product Group ID. The supplier's number or identification assigned to the product group, representing multiple products that share the same substance. An example of this, A10001, can be seen in the field. The information captured in this column is mandatory for sheet completion. Product group description. The supplier's description assigned to the product group representing multiple products that share the same substance and product group ID. This information is considered optional. For our example, we've recorded this as fastener. Moving over to the unit type. This section specifies the quantity measurement of the product mass. Please note that this is a drop-down field, allowing users to select each, meter, centimeter, or liter. The next mandatory field on the sheet is the supplier product number. This spot is for the supplier's product number as bought or ordered, similar to the product group ID. In our case, we've recorded A10021A as the supplier product number. The remaining fields are considered optional. Requester product number, supplier product description, and supplier product revision. These fields all allow you to document information related to the product as bought or ordered. For example, under supplier product description, we've recorded shear pin latches. The UOM, or unit of measurement, identifies the unit of measure of the mass of the product. For example, in the drop-down field, users may select a percentage, parts per million, kilogram, gram, milligram, or unknown. Additionally, other data may be entered into these fields. As a reminder, it is important to note that fields listed in bold and marked with an asterisk are considered mandatory. Information missing from any of those fields may render the form and request incomplete. In the next module, we will review the Product Statement tab. The IAEG AD-SRT provides organizations with an efficient way of capturing and reporting identity-supplied product and substance information. Using the tool helps organizations ensure that information is documented under a standardized template with industry-accepted terminology and coding. Data recorded in the tool can be converted for distribution as it is compliant with the IPC 1754 data exchange standard.